In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover a disabled Instagram account. This is especially for those of you who submitted an appeal but still couldn't regain access to your account. I'll guide you through an alternative method to get back into your disabled Instagram account without needing to submit a selfie video. Before we get started, make sure your Instagram app is up to date and that you're not logged into any account. With that out of the way, let's jump right in. First, open your usual browser. I'm using Chrome in this case. Now, in the search bar, type Instagram account disabled and press enter. From the search results, click on the first link that appears. Disabled Instagram account. Once the Help Center page opens, scroll down and tap the link that says visit this page. Next, you'll need to identify your Instagram account. To do this, enter either your username, your email, or your phone number. I'll go ahead and type in my Instagram username, then hit next. Now, choose a method to recover the account. I'll go with WhatsApp and then click next. You'll receive a code on your WhatsApp. Copy that code, paste it into the field, and press confirm. Once that's done, you'll be asked to create a new strong password for your Instagram account. Set up the new password, and just like that, you'll have access back to your disabled account. If this tutorial helped you out, feel free to give the video a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.